My people, how na dey? Na still your babe MJ. Welcome to my tutorial. I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate you big time. Don't forget to share the channel with your friends so that make themselves dey follow us. This class, I wan make one trendy bubu dress. I get 4 yards of Ankara with me. I get 4 different colors of velvet trimming to design am, and of course I go need paper stay. So now the dress wey I wan make na length 57, but normally you know say when you wan cut you need to add allowance, so I go make the length of my dress 58 so that 1 inch go serve for the folding. So make I sharply fold that 58 inches. So now I don fold my fabric into 4. The length wey I dey use na 58 inches. I dey fold 1 inch for the lower part. Then this will serve as my center front. E dey on fold. The bubu style na cut together with the sleeve. So this part of the bubu will give me the sleeve. Now I go put my measurement. This my bubu na one size fits many, so I no dey rigid with the measurements. But the neckline wey I dey use 4 3/4 wide. Then I dey use 3 inches deep, because the neck no dey deep even though e dey a bit wide. So now my neckline be that. I'll come to the shoulder line. I no do shoulder slant for this bubu. Then I go mark out 12 inches. That 12 inches go serve as my sleeve wideness. Then the body I dey use 44 inches. 44 into 4, that one will give me 11 inches. But since na bubu, I go add extra 2 inches, make it for dey free. So from this bust, I dey mark am straight down. Na straight dress the effect go give us. So I don mark my neckline 4 3/4 by 3 inches. The depth of my sleeve, I use 12 inches. Then the bust 11 will be wetin be 44. 44 divided by 4, that will give me 11. Then I add extra 2 inches for allowance. Then for this sleeve side, the sleeve no go dey straight like buba sleeve, so I need to give am this slanted shape like A line. I add like extra 2 inches for the lower part of that my 12 inches. So now the shape where the sleeve will carry be this. So I free to cut am out. I dey cut all the way straight down because sleeves go dey for the 2 sides. So we will cut am out like that. So now I don cut out my bubu. So now the shape wey e give me be this. Now we need to put paper stay for the wrong side inside, so that when we wan begin use our velvet trimming to design am, e go fit stay well well. The style, this velvet trimming dey run from shoulder line all the way down. So I go arrange the colors in such a way wey be say e go just dey beautiful. Na wetin I go do eventually be that. But I will run everything after we don put paper stay. So when we put paper stay for the wrong side. So I don iron the paper stay. See am dey all the way down. So this one will give the velvet trimming base to stay very well. Now for the neckline, I need to turn am, and I wan make the effect dey very neat. So I go cut out facing. You fit use bias, but I prefer facing. Facing go dey neater. So for my facing now, exactly how the neck dey, I go trace am out from this residue of my pieces. Then the wideness fit dey like 2 or 3 inches, depending on wetin you want. So I don trace out the neck like that. The wideness I'll do 3 inches. Now that one I go take turn the neck so that the neck go dey neat. So anytime when you want turn the neck, when you know they use lining, you fit use facing. So now my facing be that. Let me continue. So now I don put paper stay on top my facing. Then I go run am round the neck. That na the very first thing wey we go begin to do. The neck round. Then I go need to notch am. After I notch am like that, I come iron am. Like that, the neck done ready. Then we will continue. So now I don iron the neckline, and I'm ready to begin place the velvet trimming. So now the black color I dey use first. I'll just run am straight down from neckline all the way down. When I finish the black, I will do the next color. So now the next color wey I wan run na the golden yellow. So now I don run all the colors wey I need. Na the first part of the design be that. Make we continue. So now the next part of the design, I go use 3 colors of the bias. Place on top the neck side. I'll place the green, the white, and the black. Now that one remain now I do now. So I'll start with my green. So now all the bias design of the neck and the body don't finish like that. The next design are the hand. So let me continue. So now see our bubu. We don't finish the neck, the hand. So next thing to do now to close the side. Then we'll give an inner pocket and we dey stone all the front and all the trimming. See say it don dey make sense. Let me continue. Over.